NASA has issued a rare and urgent warning. Their latest announcement has shaken both the scientific community and the public worldwide. At the center of this concern is 3I, Atlas, an interstellar object far larger and faster than anyone initially believed. Fresh orbital data now suggests that its trajectory could bring it dangerously close to Earth. Unlike typical asteroids that orbit our Sun, 3I, Atlas belongs to an exceptionally rare class, interstellar visitors. These are objects born in other star systems, wandering the galaxy for millions of years before briefly cutting through our region of space. Only 2 such bodies have been confirmed before: Oumuamua in 2017 and comet Borisov in 2019. To encounter a third, so soon, is astonishing. But what makes Atlas different is its potential path toward Earth. When first detected, it was little more than a faint moving dot among the stars. But follow-up observations quickly revealed it wasn't native to our solar system. Its speed, angle, and unusual behavior marked it as an outsider. Now, with NASA upgrading its status to a red alert, the stakes have escalated. This designation isn't made lightly. It indicates both the seriousness of the risk and the uncertainty in predicting the trajectory of such a fast-moving, alien traveler. The concern isn't just its path, it's the sheer kinetic energy it carries. Local asteroids usually move at around 20 kilometers per second. 3I, Atlas is racing through space at nearly 50 kilometers per second. At that velocity, even a fragment could unleash destruction. Early estimates suggest the object could measure hundreds of meters across, possibly larger. An impact at that scale would release energy far beyond any human-made weapon, comparable to tens of millions of megatons of TNT. The result would be nothing less than a global catastrophe. The danger is amplified by gravitational dynamics. Because interstellar objects aren't bound to the Sun in the same way as local asteroids, their orbits can shift unpredictably. A slight tug from a giant planet like Jupiter could redirect Atlas, possibly toward Earth. Scientists are running constant simulations, searching for resonance points, where the object's path might be altered toward a collision. This uncertainty has created a race against time. Astronomers across the globe are rushing to collect more data before Atlas grows too faint to study. Each night of observation tightens or widens the margin of risk. Some models suggest a safe passage millions of kilometers away, while others show possible scenarios much closer. Unlike local asteroids, which we can track for decades, interstellar visitors give us only one brief window of observation before vanishing into the dark. The implications of this red alert extend far beyond science. Governments, defense agencies, and policymakers are now forced to consider what humanity could actually do in the face of such a threat. Current planetary defense methods, like kinetic impactors, might be too slow or too weak against something moving this fast. The unsettling truth is that humanity may not yet have the tools to stop an interstellar strike. Beyond the technical challenge, Atlas carries a deeper meaning. These rare visitors are not just threats, they are messengers. Their materials hold the chemical fingerprints of other star systems, offering priceless insight into planetary formation beyond our Sun. But the paradox is chilling. The same object that could expand our scientific understanding may also hold the power to end civilization. History reminds us that cosmic impacts are not hypothetical. Earth has been reshaped many times by such events. The extinction of the dinosaurs stands as the most famous example. Atlas now forces us to confront the possibility of such a reset in our own time, not as distant history, but as an active threat. And yet, this story is not only about fear, it's about awareness. NASA's decision to issue a red alert marks more than just a technical update on an interstellar traveler. It represents a turning point in how humanity must think about planetary defense. For decades, asteroid warnings were confined to dry reports in scientific journals, but Atlas has changed that. This is not a simulation or a drill. It is a real reminder that our planet exists in a universe that does not wait for us to be ready. We often imagine space as a quiet, empty backdrop. But in truth, it is dynamic, restless, and unpredictable. Entire worlds form, collide, and shatter in the darkness. Stars live and die, scattering debris across the galaxy. And sometimes, those fragments come our way. The red alert is not a prediction of doom, it is a wake-up call. Vigilance is no longer optional, it is survival. Whether Atlas ultimately passes safely millions of kilometers away or threads through a corridor dangerously close to Earth, the lesson remains the same: humanity must prepare for the unexpected. The warning has ignited urgent conversations about international cooperation. After all, a threat from the stars does not respect borders. No single nation can claim ownership of the skies. A strike would be a global catastrophe, and so the defense must be a global effort. For the first time in history, governments, scientists, and engineers are beginning to recognize that planetary defense may be the most important shared mission of our age. For now, all eyes remain fixed on the skies. Every night, observatories across the world continue to track Atlas, refining its trajectory with each new set of data. Each calculation narrows the uncertainty, but it also deepens the weight of the unknown. Will Atlas simply be another cosmic traveler that passes by, leaving behind only data and curiosity? Or will it prove to be the kind of event that rewrites history, forcing humanity to act in ways it has never done before? One truth is already certain: Atlas has transformed the way we think about the future. It has reminded us that the Earth is not a fortress, sealed from the cosmos. We are vulnerable to forces far larger than ourselves. Yet, it has also revealed something profound: our capacity for resilience. Humanity has faced extinction-level challenges before. We survived ice ages, volcanic winters, and cosmic strikes that reshaped the biosphere. Each time, life adapted and civilization pushed forward. In the silence of space, danger emerges without warning. Atlas is proof that we are not separate from the universe, but woven into its unfolding story. The object is not just a threat, it is a teacher, showing us the fragility of our existence but also the brilliance of our ingenuity. Our survival may depend not only on telescopes and rockets, but also on our ability to work together, to anticipate rather than react, and to imagine solutions that today may seem impossible. As 3I, Atlas races through our solar system, the world watches with a mixture of awe and apprehension. Will it pass silently into the void, another forgotten wanderer? Or will it become the first true test of humanity's planetary defense? Whatever the outcome, its arrival has already left a mark. It has shown us that in the vast darkness of space, threats and opportunities travel hand in hand. And in facing them, we are reminded of both the fragility and the extraordinary resilience of life on Earth.